Every project starts in an existing situation, which can contain buildings, trees, site obstructions, and other items. Some or all of the existing situation is demolished before the construction of the new building begins, and then the new building is constructed. In Revit, these different steps are shown using the phase feature. First, let's separate all the buildings in our project and assign them to their respective phases in this diagram. By assigning a phase to a view using the phase parameter, we determine which objects are considered new, which are considered previous or existing, and which objects are future objects only in the current view. For example, if we set the phase parameter to stage 1 in this elevation view, all stage 1 objects will be considered new, all existing objects will be regarded as previous, and all stage 2 objects will be tagged as future, meaning they will be hidden since we cannot see future objects. By setting the phase to stage 2, all stage 2 objects will be regarded as new, and all existing and stage 1 objects will be considered previous or existing.